Hi everyone. Today complex number day number 7, a new topic. This topic is important for competitive exams and also 2 marks questions. At a formula for polar form, polar form, polar form or amplitude form, polar form, amplitude form or argument form, argument form. What is a complex number, polar form, amplitude form and argument form or modulus form. For example, if z is equal to x plus iy is a complex number, then its argument form or the polar form of z is polar form of z is x plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. What is the amplitude form? Polar form. The argument form is x plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. X plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. Here r is equal to mod z. Modulus of z means already we know under root of real part square plus imaginary part square. What is the complex number? Z is equal to x plus iy is given. So what is the mod z? Mod z means under root of x square plus y square. So r value is modulus of z is equal under root of x square plus y square. Now here x plus iy is equal to just here r into cos theta, r cos theta plus I into r sin theta. Now compare here real parts and imaginary parts. What is the real part? Real part is x. Here real part is r cos theta. So indirectly x is equal to r cos theta. Similarly y is equal to r sin theta. Why? Because this one is the real part, this one is the imaginary part. The cos theta is equal to here x by r and here sin theta is equal to y by r. Why? Because by r. Here multiplication, here is a division. What you want? I want tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by, what is sin theta value? Sin theta value is y by r. Cos theta value is x by r. R get cancelled. What is the tan theta? Tan theta is equal to y by x. Tan theta is equal to y by x. Indirectly, what is the theta value? Theta value is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Y means imaginary part, x means real part. This theta can be written as r with z. R with z is also theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Once again, I will repeat the total concept. The polar form of the complex number is x plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. I want r value. What is the r value? R value is under root of x square plus y square. What is the theta value? Theta value is tan inverse of y by x. So x plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus r of sin theta. Comparing both sides, real part means x is equal to r cos theta. Imaginary part means y is equal to r sin theta. Cos theta is equal to x by r. Sin theta is equal to y by r. Why? Because here by r, here by r. I want tan theta. Tan theta is equal to y by x. The theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. For example, we ask question, what is the r with z bar? They ask question r z bar. So always what is the bar? Bar means a conjugate. For example, z is equal to x plus iy is given. Then z bar is equal to x minus iy. What is the r with z bar? R with z bar means theta is equal to tan inverse of real part by imaginary part. What is the tan inverse of y by x means imaginary part by real part. What is the here imaginary part here? Minus y. What is the real part here? X. That is equal to minus tan inverse of y by x only. Once again I will repeat. The r with z bar is, I want r z bar. Z is equal to x plus iy is given. What is the z bar? Z bar means is a conjugate with x minus iy. What is the r with z theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Y by x means imaginary part by real part. But z bar, what is imaginary here? Imaginary is minus y. So theta is equal to tan inverse of minus y by x. Indirectly, tan of minus theta is equal to minus theta minus tan inverse of y by x. What is the r with z bar? arc z bar is equal minus tan inverse of y by x. For example, they give z is equal 3 plus 4y. What is the arc with z? Arc with z is equal to theta is equal tan inverse of y by x. Y by x means 4 by 3. Indirectly tan theta is equal 4 by 3 only. This is the argument form or polar form or amplitude form. Let's some formulas here. Next one. Write a formula here. Z is a complex number, then arg z1 into z2 is equal to formula arg z1 plus arg z2 plus n by మీ ఇష్టం రాస్తారు యాక్చువల్లీ ఉంటుంది యువర్ విష్ ఓన్లీ. వాట్ ఇస్ ది ఫార్ములా? arg z1 into z2 is equal arg z1 plus arg z2 plus n by. Next arg z1 by z2 is equal to formula arg z1 minus arg z2 plus n by. So what is the formula for arg z1 into z2? Arg z1 plus arg z2. What is the formula for arg z1 by z2? Arg z1 minus arg z2. Another formula is there. Cos theta plus I sin theta can be written as cis theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta means cis theta. So cis theta you can be written as cis theta means indirectly cos theta plus I sin theta. Cis cos theta I into sin theta. Under formula here cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 can be written as cis of theta 1 plus theta 2. Then cis theta equal formula is cos theta plus I sin theta. Indirectly don't write each and every time cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin is given. It can be written as cis theta only. Suppose cis theta 1 and cis theta 2 is equal cis of theta 1 into cis of theta 1 into cis theta 2 is equal cis of theta 1 plus theta 2. Write a problem. Important for entrance and IP 2 marks problem. Exercise 1C first bit first problem. Express the following numbers. Express the following numbers. Express the following numbers. Express the following numbers. Express the following numbers in modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form. And modulus amplitude form, polar form and argument form all are equal. Here are the formulas. What is the first problem? First problem is 1 minus I. First problem is 1 minus I. Second problem is 1 plus I root 3. 1 plus I root 3. Third problem is minus root 3 I. Fourth one is minus 1 minus I root 3. Most important for MCET entrance, JEE mains and MCET most important. What is the polar form, sir? What is the amplitude form? The amplitude form of complex number is what is the form? Already know x plus iy is equal r of cos theta plus I sin theta. Any doubt? X plus iy is equal r of cos theta plus I sin theta. What is the first value? What is given? Given first problem solution is what is given? 1 minus I is given, that is equal to x plus iy. Indirectly x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. What is the r value? R value is under root of x square plus y square. X square means 1 square, y square means minus 1 square. Therefore, indirectly r is equal to root 2. R is equal, we already know what is the formula for cos theta. Cos theta is equal to x by r, and sin theta is equal to y by r. What is the cos theta value? Cos theta value is x by r. What is x value? Is 1. R value is root 2. Okay, indirectly cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Next I want sin theta. Sin theta is equal to y by r. Y by r means minus 1 by root 2. Next one, what you want? You want tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So minus 1. What values of theta? Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. I got the common theta. General theta is, suppose you forget the negative value. Once again I will repeat the most important concept, the polar form or amplitude form. 1 minus I is given. What is the real part here? Real part is 1. Imaginary part is minus 1. What you want? You want r. R is equal to root 2. Cos theta value x by r. So 1 by root 2. Sin theta value minus y by r means minus 1 by root 2. Tan theta value is minus 1. Which value of theta? What values of theta is satisfied? Suppose you can put the theta value. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Tan is equal to minus 1. Suppose put theta equal to 45. Only cos 45 value 1 by root 2. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2, 1. What is minus 1 by root 2? That's why it is a new formula. Most important formula. First phase, second phase, third phase, and fourth. All we know. All silver T cups. Here theta, here pi minus theta, minus of pi minus theta, minus theta. Once again I will repeat. First one is theta, second one is pi minus theta, third one is minus of pi minus theta, fourth one is minus theta. It's the most important for entrance. So what is general theta? Theta value is indirectly 45 degrees, pi by 4. Only general theta. So forget the minus to minus, we get cos theta equal 1 by root 2 means theta equal 45. To forget the minus, cos theta sin theta equal 1 by root 2 means 45. Forget the minus here. Tan theta is equal 1 means pi by 4. But we want common value for 3. So what is here? Cos is a positive, sin is a negative, tan is a negative. Cos theta is positive. Cos theta positive means where is cos theta positive? First phase or fourth phase is cos theta positive. I want to discuss the only positive side. Here we get cos theta equal 1 by root 2, sin theta is equal minus 1 by root 2, tan theta is equal minus 1. So cos is a positive. Where is cos positive? Cos positive as well is the first coordinate, fourth coordinate. First or fourth. But first coordinate means all are positive, but a sin is negative, tan is negative. So theta belongs to, what is the theta? Theta belongs to only fourth coordinate. Once again I will repeat here. Cos positive undali, sin tan negative undali. So cos is a positive means cos positive for only two phases, first phase and fourth phase. First phase all are positive, but a sin is a negative. So theta belongs to fourth one. Fourth one our solution is minus theta. So minus theta means minus pi by 4. The polar form or amplitude form of this one is x plus iy. X plus iy is equal to, what is the formula here? R of cos theta plus I into sin theta. X means here 1 minus I. R value is root 2 already we know. Cos theta, theta value minus pi by 4. I into sin theta value minus pi by 4. This is the amplitude form or polar form or the argument form of the given complex number. Suppose you can substitute theta equal minus pi by 4. Cos of minus pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 only. Sin of minus pi by 4 means minus 1 by root 2. Tan of minus pi by 4 means minus 1 only. Cos of minus theta value plus cos theta. Okay. Second one, go on problem. Third one, I can solve third problem. Fourth one is also one problem. So now I solve a third problem. What is third problem? Minus 3 x plus iy is equal to what is given? Minus 3 plus I. So what is the polar form? Polar form is x plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. Any doubts? So what is here? X is equal to minus root 3, y is equal to 1 only. Why? Because the real part is minus root 3, imaginary part is 1. What is the r value? R value is under root of x square plus y square. 3 plus 1 is equal to, indirectly what we get, r value is 2. Well, we know what is the cos theta? Cos theta means x by r. X by r. What is x value? Minus root 3. R value is 2. So cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Next one, sin theta. What is the sin theta? Sin theta is equal to y by r. Sin theta. What is the y value here? Y value is 1. 1 by r value is 2. 1 by 2. Similarly, tan theta is equal to what you will get? Tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Sin theta by cos 2 cancel, minus 1 by root 3. Cos is a negative, tan is a negative, sin is a positive. What is the general theta? Suppose you forget the minus value, cos lo root 3 by 2 రావాలి, sin lo 1 by 2 రావాలి, tan lo 1 by 3. Means indirectly general theta is equal to pi by 6. Why? Because sin 30 pi by 6, cos 30 root 3 by 2. But according to our formula, is what formula? Sin is a positive. Sin is a positive, cos and tan is a negative. Sin is a positive, tan and cos is negative. Where is sin positive? All silver 3 cups. So either first coordinate or second coordinate sin is a positive. But sin in first coordinates all are positive. But here tan and cos are negative. So second coordinate only theta belongs to only a second coordinate. Once again I will repeat. Sin is a positive. Sin is a positive means first coordinate or second coordinate. First coordinate or second coordinate. First coordinate all are positive, but here tan and cos is a negative. So theta belongs to second one. Theta belongs to second one means second one formula is pi minus theta. Pi minus what is general theta value? General theta value is pi by 6. So what is the answer? 5 pi by 6. Substitute we get in place of theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. We get cos of 5 pi by 6 value minus root 3 by 2. Sin of 5 pi by 6 value 1 by 2. Tan of 5 pi by 6 value is minus 1 by root 3. The single theta satisfies the three trigonometry functions: cos theta, sin theta, and tan theta. So what is the polar form? Polar form formula is x plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus I into sin theta. Okay, what is x plus iy? X plus iy means minus root 3 plus I is equal. R value is 2. What is the cos theta? Theta is equal 5 pi by 6 plus I into sin of 5 pi by 6. The only important this diagram, all silver tea cups. All means sine to cot are positive. S means sine and cosec is positive. T means tan and cot are positive. C means cos and sec are positive. Theta, pi minus theta, minus of pi minus theta, minus theta. What is the polar form formula? X plus iy is equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. R value is a modulus of z. Modulus of z means under root of x square plus y square only. Then second problem. Important for 2 marks and also entrance. Find if z is a complex number, if z is a complex number, then find r with z plus r with z bar value. First problem. Second problem, z1 is equal to minus 1 and Z2 is equal to minus I. Find arg Z1 into Z2. Third problem. Z1 is equal to minus 1 and Z2 is equal to I. Z2 is equal to I. Then find arg Z1 by Z2. These three problems are important for 2 marks and also entrance questions. First one solution already know. Solution of first one. What is given? What you want? Arg Z2 plus arg Z bar. Already we know if Z is equal to x plus I is a complex number. What is the theta? Arg Z is equal to theta is equal tan inverse of y by x. Already we know. Next one, Z bar is equal to x minus I by. What is the bar? Bar means conjugate. Conjugate means x minus I by. What do you want? I want arg Z bar. Arg Z bar theta is equal tan inverse of imaginary part by real part minus y by x. That is equal minus tan inverse of y by x. What do you want? What is given problem? Arg Z1, arg Z plus arg Z bar. First one plus second one. What is the first one? Tan inverse of y by x. Second one minus tan inverse of y by x. That is equal 0 is the solution. Next one. What is first? Second problem is important. Solution of second one. What is given? Z1 is equal to minus 1 and Z2 is equal to minus I. Okay, it can be written as first of all cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos always the real part, sin always imaginary part. Z1 can be written as, listen carefully, minus 1 plus 0 into I. Any doubts? What is the real part value? Minus 1. Imaginary part value 0. It can be written as in the form of the combination of cos theta plus I sin theta. Here cos theta, here I sin theta. Cos theta means here cos 180 value, cos pi plus I into sin pi. Any doubt? Cos pi value is minus 1, sin pi value 0. So minus 1 can be written as minus 1 plus 0 into I. So this one is a cos pi. Cos pi value is minus 1, sin pi value 0. I is as it is. So indirectly this was Z1. What is the arg Z1? Arg Z1 is equal to pi 1. Beta value pi, that's arg Z1 is a pi. Similarly, what is Z2? Z2 can be written as 0 plus I into minus 1. So what you want? Cos value is 0, sin value is minus 1. Cos value 0 means cos pi by 2 0. So indirectly it can be written as cos of Z2 is equal to cos of minus pi by 2 plus I into sin of minus pi by 2. Have no space. That's why I'm writing here. What is Z1 value is 1 and Z2 is equal to minus I. Minus I can be written as 0 plus I into minus 1. What do you want? Cos value is 0, sin value is minus 1. Cos value is 0, sin value is minus 1. So cos value 0 means cos of minus pi by 2. Cos of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 are equal to 0 only. I into sin of minus pi by 2. Why? Because I want minus 1 means sin pi by 2 value only minus 1. So what is the arg Z2? Arg Z2 is equal to minus pi by 2. What you want? Given problem, what you want? The ask question. Arg Z1 into Z2. So what is the formula? Already we know. Arg Z1 into Z2 is equal to formula arg Z1 plus arg Z2. What is the arg Z1 value? Arg Z1 value is pi. What is the arg Z2? Minus pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2 is equal. Pi by 2 is answer. Pi minus pi by 2 is equal. Pi by 2 is the answer. Once I will repeat here. Z1 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 by 0 into I. Cos pi value minus 1, sin pi value 0, therefore arg Z1 is equal to pi. Similarly, we can transform to minus I. Minus I means 0 plus I into minus 1. So cos minus pi by 2, why are taking the minus pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 value is 0, but Why are we taking here minus pi by 2? So in I into minus 1, sin pi by 2 value is plus 1, but I want minus 1. So sin of minus pi by 2, here cos of minus pi by 2, arc Z2 value is minus pi by 2. What is arc Z2? Minus pi by 2. All you know for what is the formula? Arc Z1 into Z2 means arc Z1 plus Z2. Next one, third problem. The third one, Z1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 written as minus 1 plus 0 into y. Same like this. So you can written as cos pi plus I into sin pi. Indirectly, r to Z1 is equal to pi only. But second one, what is given? Z2 is equal to plus I is given. That is equal to 0 plus 1 into y. Here same here minus I is given, here plus I is given. So indirectly, in place of minus pi by 2 equal plus pi by 2 only. Here cos pi by 2 plus I into sin pi by 2. Therefore, arc Z2 is equal to pi by 2. What is the formula for arc Z1 by Z2? Arc Z1 minus arc Z2. What do you want? You want arc Z1 by Z2. That is equal arc Z1 minus arc Z2 plus n by your wish only. What is the arc Z1? Arc Z1 value is pi over. This one is pi by 2. Again, the answer is pi by 2 only.